Okay, what you're looking at there is three-phase outlet. The top actually has a little crook in it. That's the neutral. The center leg is the ground, the one with the blue around it, and then the three phases go around the outside. If I check from neutral to one of the hots, and I get in there where I can get actually some voltage, and I wiggle and I hold everything just right, because you think you're not getting a good connection. So you keep wiggling and look at that. 111.3 volts. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a ghost voltage. And sometimes your meters will read a ghost voltage when there's nothing really there. If I go to ground, which is the center leg, notice that I get right at 120. So I get another voltage, and you think, well, you got voltage on both. Okay. This meter that I'm getting out, and I'll be able to show you here in a minute, is a tester, and what it does is it uses the power source to illuminate it as its own energy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to test from the hot to the ground. I should do the ground first. Now I'll go over here to the hot. It's hard to do things one-handed. Let me see. But I should be poking around one-handed, right? Exactly. The only key is you don't want to short things out. Okay. So what you see there is that meter's chirping, and I have lit all the way up to the 120. It's also showing 121 volts. And that is measuring from the ground to one of the legs. So if I go up to the neutral and do it, and I wiggle around and I wiggle around, what you see is nothing ever comes on. No matter what I do, nothing ever comes on, which means that neutral is not connected in the wall. Now I can measure it with the other meter. I'll get something a little less than 120 volts. It'll make me think I have voltage. But this meter, the one on the right, actually puts a load on it and uses the power. So if you have no complete circuit coming out of your outlet, it won't power your meter, and you can see very clearly that this neutral is not connected. So it's dead. Anyway, there you go. Thank you for watching.